Motomedics. I've got a VW Polo here on a 60 plate, which is 2010, 2011. Doing a sidelight bulb on this, and I tell you what, it's not the easiest one. So you got to get the right, you got to have the right tools, or you got to have real skinny hands, right? Mine aren't so skinny, but you can see this one here is working, but the passenger side one, it isn't. If you look on the inside, that's the bulb we need to replace right on the inside there. To get to it, I'll just show you. I'm going to switch the lights off. Now the bulb you need, it is a 501. So that's the bulb you need. There will be a link on in the description telling you where to get one if you needed one. Just click on that link and you'll have multiple bulbs. If you need, like say, the 87 bulbs and stuff like that, you'll find it there as well. But to do this, I'll show you. Now all you got to do first is remove this cover right here. So if you remove this cover, once you've got this out, on the inside it is quite hard to see, so I'm going to see if I can get the camera in the right angle. So right, I've got it in the right angle. So what we need to do is, here there's a plastic cover bit sticking out. There's a plastic cover sticking out right on the inside. If I zoom in a little bit, which ain't gonna help, yeah, that's the one right there, as you can see. This one here. So what you need is, for that, you're gonna need a nose plier. If you've got a long nose plier, you slot the plier in. If you just hold the camera, please, thank you. So if you slot the plier in, and then gently grab hold of the clip, and then wiggle it to the left a little bit, and then pull it out. I'm sure I got it out. Let me just get my fingers in there. Oh yes, I have. So I'm just gonna have to now pull the whole thing out. Like I said, you know what, I don't understand what car companies are doing with cars, manufacturers are basically doing with cars nowadays. Now that's it. So that's what I meant. So he had a clip on the back, so it's quite a long one. All you do, get a nose plier, unless you've got skinny hands, use skinny hands and get it out of the way. So it is a 501 bulb. I'm just going to get a new one. Put the new one in. There's only one way the bulb would go as well, so you can see there. I slot the bulb in. And to locate it, if you can't do it from here, say if you can't see from here, what you could do is, if you look on the outside, you see the hole right there. So if I kind of get it in, I need to grab hold of the thing first. Right, it's not happening. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back up, and then I see if I can get the light. That's brilliant. So you may not be able to see much, and nor would I as well, but I'm still working blindly. So I'm just going to shove my hand in there and then see if I can find the right hole. I really can't find the hole. So the other way I can do this is by switching the light on and locating it through that way. So if I switch the side lights on and then locate the hole, which is right there, I can see it now nicely. So if I can grab hold of it, slot it through. Oops. No, ouch. I'm just gonna have to see it from here then, I guess. Here we go. Now if you come around here, if you come back round, now if you could see, what I've done is I've located the hole and then I slot it in. That's it, job done. What I'm going to be doing on this one, this is it. This is what you've got to do. Like I said, skinny hands, good. If you've got bigger hands like me, then it's no good. You need a long nose plier. It's quite a long one. But what I've got is I've got a bendy nose plier right here. So it's kind of easy to twist and then pull. It's just gently. You just got to pull it gently, and it'll come out. And then get your hands in there, take the whole thing out. Put a new bulb in. To locate the bulb, it'd be easier if you switch the lights on, just the side lights, and then slot it through the hole. That's done, job done. But this side is a lot easier because it is not, I mean on this one, if you wanted to do it, all you got this is you got to push this out, and then on the inside it's just right there. It's still, again, it is a bit awkward as well. This one's awkward. No, I would say I would leave it. It is working, so I'm not going to do it. And yeah, so do check out the description if you wanted the bulb way to get one. There's a link in there, click on that. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and check the playlist out for VWs. If you've got other VW Golf or something like that, you need a bulb done on, pressure, TP, tire pressure, monitor system reset. We've got those videos and service reset. Thank you very much and goodbye.